County line.
Amazon Flex in the snow, fam. Let's get it. Let's get it. The hustle don't stop, baby. 5-hour block today. Let's get it. Alright, let's take the stairs, huh?
When the pimp's in the crib, ma, drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Drop.
Let there be light.
Drop it like it's hot. When the pigs try to get at you, park it like it's hot. Park it like it's hot. Park it like it's hot. And if a get an attitude, pop it like.
Wet, 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 wet.
Wet and slippery.
Wet, 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 wet.
3 more weeks, we'll have a new 4-wheel drive car. 3 more weeks, can't wait.
Pigs try to get at you, park it like it's hot. Park it like it's hot. Park it like it's hot. And if a get an attitude, pop it like.
Oh man, I ate too much junk food today. Got an upset stomach. Whew. I don't need to go to the bathroom, but upset stomach eating too much junk food. It's coming down, fam. Let's get it. Almost halfway in, fam. Almost halfway in. Let's get it. Alright, alright, alright. Almost halfway in. Almost halfway in. 5-hour block. Let's get it.
Autumnwood Place. Then in 400 feet, turn right onto South Pat.
They're in a life of a gig hustler. Let's get it. All right, I think we're more than halfway in. So I've been watching this very good YouTube video. Shout out to my boy DoorDash Diaries. Thanks for featuring me. Thank you, DoorDash Diaries. Seven more, fam. We're falling behind schedule, I guess. It's snowing, so 7 more will be done. 6 more. 6 more will be done. Amazon, thank you. Let's get it, fam. Almost done. Almost done. Ooh-wee. Hopefully we'll make it, fam. 3 more. Hopefully we'll make it there. 3 more to go. Going uphill. It's an uphill battle, literally. 3 more. All right. Amazon. Last package, fam. Great feeling. We survived today's snowstorm. Not too much snow right now, but you know, we made it through. That's all that matters. Alright, fam, for today's route, we drove 54 miles. 39 stops, 54 miles. This route took me like 30 minutes more than it's supposed to. Yeah, due to the snow and all that. You know. So, well, I thought I was gonna finish this route 30 minutes early, but apparently not. But at the same time, I was also doing some live stream, and I went on YouTube and made some comments. You know, left some comments on some videos. But we made it through to tonight's snowstorm, man, and I'm starving, man. Earlier I had an upset stomach, ate too much junk food, some of that bimbo bread. So now I'm gonna go get something to eat and see if I can log on and make some more money, huh? Thank you everybody for watching this Amazon Flex 5-hour block. See you guys on the next one. Peace. Alright, thank you everybody for watching all the way to the end. This video is only like 6 minutes, so I'm gonna put in another 2 minutes. So that Amazon Flex 5-hour block took me 5.5, but I was doing like a live stream and you know, I was commenting on YouTube and this and that. So if I really hustled that block, it would have been 5 hours, even in the snow. And I did my second VHO block today. Took like 1 hour longer. Yeah. So with VHO, yeah, sometimes when it's a 3-hour block during the snow, it becomes like 4 hours. You know. So VHO is not as good as assigning their block, like the hour-wise. You know, 3 hour, 4 hour, 5 hour, and so on. Compared to Flex, but VHO is pretty new. Yeah, I was my second block today took a little bit longer than it should have. My last delivery with VHO today was, oh man, like 12 miles away from the second last one. But yeah, if you guys want to see VHO first day, please check it out on my second channel, Side Hustle Tutorial. Thank you everybody for watching all the way to the end. 3 more weeks, we will have a 4-wheel drive car, fam. Thank you everybody. Check out VHO first day on my second channel. This video is Amazon Flex, but yeah, just want to keep you guys updated. I am well, I like VHO so far. Today's block was okay. It was on search, but it took a little bit longer. First day went pretty well too. Can't wait to get the all-wheel drive car, man. Thank you everybody. See you guys on the next one. Peace.